Now, the next first aid kit that we have is this one from Everlit, and this is probably one of the most popular brands out right now. But it is a pretty decent size. I wouldn't say it's the smallest, but you have a handle strap here, you have two back straps over here, you have a front strap as well. But if you go ahead and unbuckle this, you do need to unvelcro this side to make it easier to access. But despite being the most popular first aid kit, I do find this one a bit confusing. So again, this is coming from the point of view of someone who doesn't really know firsthand on what to do and isn't really versed with first aid experience, but they do have a survival first aid kit guide. You can see the variety of different items that they have here, ranging from gauze, alcohol swabs, scissors, and just more items over here. I wish it was better organized, but I do know that they have quite a amount of tools inside here when it comes to first aid. Now, out of all the 5 first aid kits that I've tried or bought and basically just inspected briefly, I'd say that this is the heaviest one, so if you are going to go backpacking, not only is this not the smallest one, but it is quite heavy compared to the other ones on this list. Let's go ahead and move on to the next one.